Happy Wednesday. It is Thanksgiving Eve. There's a seal down there somewhere. If he comes back up, I don't know where he went. Today is November the 26th. It's the 149th day of the second half of 2014, or the 330th day of the year. And getting a different view today. My seal is not coming up now. But it's beautiful. Beautiful day today. So today is everywhere in nature we are taught the lessons of patience and waiting. We want things a long time before we get them, and the fact that we want them a long time makes them all the more precious when they come. And that's Joseph F. Smith. I don't know where my seal went. I'm being patient. He must have went under for a long time. But it's a beautiful, beautiful day in the marina, and just wishing everybody safe travels for the holiday, wherever they're going, and having just a super duper holiday, okay? Have a phenomenal rest of your Wednesday, and may you be happier than a camel on Wednesday.